Rhinoplasty, as I say, is an art, and Indian rhinoplasty the most difficult rhinoplasty. Now, if you see this video, the boy had a bulbous tip and a wide nose. To give it definition and make it look sharp without adding any implant is a little difficult. If you see his before picture and after picture, there's a lot of difference between what it was and what it is at the moment. The nose has been lengthened, it has been sharpened, the dorsal aesthetic lines are straight, and if you see the profile view is making his face look more chiseled. I have seen that patients who look a little fuller or maybe more round, after giving them a sharp and a thin nose, their whole face look changes. Their face looks slimmer and more well defined just by giving a sharp and a thin nose. This is the beauty of Indian rhinoplasty, because as I always say, Indian nose surgery is different from the West because we are having thick skin, and rather than placing an implant on already bigger structure, the technique involved to give an Indian nose a sharp look is different. What I employ at my center, I do not follow what the West preaches or what any other country preaches. I follow what will look good on my patient, following all the correct surgical principles and keeping the breathing issue in mind. A lot of people wonder that I'm a plastic surgeon and who will be doing the septoplasties. Is she gonna call an ENT surgeon for septoplasty? No, I don't call any ENT surgeon for septoplasty because I was trained in ENT department in JMC Nagpur for 1 year. So 1 year I was doing septoplasties in that government hospital, and I'm lucky that I did the training in one of the largest institutes of Asia, and that is the reason in my rhinoplasties I don't call anybody from outside. I do everything myself, including the breathing issues. Though if patient has some problem like polyps or sinus issues, I would like my ENT colleague to fix it, but for the septum, I always do the septum myself because I feel the septum is the foundation of the nose, and if I don't have the control over the foundation of the nose, I won't be able to give a good cover to it. So that is the reason I do my septums and my rhino myself, and you would be happy to know all the surgeons outside India, especially in United States, who does a lot of rhinoplasties, they manage septums and nose themselves. It is new in India, but usually plastic surgeons do septorhinoplasties. They are trained to do it, and I'm fortunate enough that I was trained in ENT in JMC Nagpur, that is one of the busiest hospitals in Asia, and that I'm able to benefit my clients. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.